Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since you know that we are discussing Genius Cerebrum Mathematics Olympiad questions of level 2, which is being taken by the students of grade 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I'm discussing 5 questions in each lecture. Till now, I have discussed 50 questions, right? In one paper, there are 60 questions, and 1 hour time is given to solve these 60 questions. So I have discussed 50 questions, like I have discussed 5 questions in each lecture. So I would be giving you the playlist in description box. You can watch all other questions also. Today I'm going to solve from 51 to 55. This is the genius section thing. So this would be a quite tough and challenging one. So here we have 51. Actually, here you have to find the missing number. This is called typical kind of magic square. If you will add like this or like this or like this or like this, like this or like this or like this or like this, anyway, you are going to get same number. So try to find what is that same number. So that same number would be 51. Like this means every row, every column is going to give me 51. So what would be my missing number? So here is just 19. Here we have 9 and here we have 10. So here we just have 19. I have to make 51. What should I write here? So I just subtract it from 51 and that would be my answer. So subtract as traditional way as you subtract. So here would be 2 and here you will having 3, right? So 32 is the correct answer. See, this is very easy question, 50-second question, very easy. So there is a solid shape, that means 3D shape with 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. So 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. So see the term square where it is written. So here, so if you will see, it would be a square pyramid, because square pyramid obviously have a square face, right? None of them have square as the option. So here try to understand how many vertices are there. I told you that these corners, these points are called vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 8 vertices in total. So here if you will means fold this one, it will become a cube, right? You will be folding one like this and again this one from this side, then that side. It is asking that which number would appear opposite to 6. So there is the formula, there is just one trick, that the numbers which are like this one and this number would be opposite to each other, this one and this one would be opposite to each other, and this one and this one would be opposite to each other. So here my answer would be 3. 3 would be that number which would be opposite to 6. Now I have question number 55. So here, first of all, I'm going to make the direction because this question is based on a direction. Try to understand. This is very easy. So here we have north, here we have south, here we have east, and here we have west, like that. Read the question. John and Joseph start from the same point. Consider that same point as origin. So I'm considering as origin, okay? John walks 8 kilometer in west direction. So John is their person, it is walking 8 kilometer up to here. Suppose that this is 8 kilometer, where west direction. So I have made that in west direction. So he is like that. He is facing towards west right now. Now then turns right. So if you are facing towards west, I already said that when you are saying that you have to turn right, that means you will go at top. Means you can also think that if you are like that facing towards west, which is your right hand, this side, right? So right hand, that means north side, the John will go. So John will turn and walk 5 kilometer in the north like this. Like this. Okay. So John, this is 5 kilometer. Now try to understand. Okay, actually, wait. Actually, whatever I discussed right now, that all thing was about Joseph. Okay, this all thing is related to Joseph. Whatever I told, okay, just that is the thing. Here, John walks 5 kilometer in the north direction, and then turn, and then turn right and walk 3 kilometer. So actually this was of Joseph, right? Joseph was traveling 8 kilometers in the west and again turning right 5 kilometers. So this is all about Joseph. So Joseph right now is here at this place. Now what about John? John walks 5 kilometers in north direction. So which is north direction? This one, 5 kilometers. See, it is making a kind of triangle because, sorry, a kind of rectangle, right? Actually, it is making a rectangle. So this whole thing is 90 degrees and this is 5. You can also see that opposite sides are also equal in a given rectangle. That is the property. And again, this person, John, again, he turns right and walk 3 kilometers. So he's turning right like this and walking 3 kilometers. So now my John is here and my Joseph is here. Now you have to tell me the distance between these two places. I already know that this is a rectangle. So therefore, this would be also from here to here, it would be also 8 kilometers because opposite side would be equal. And here I have three more, 3 and 8, that is going to make 11. So that is my answer. So like that, we are going to solve the direction question. This is very easy. If you are proficient in solving these kind of question, you could solve like in 60 seconds. Here I'm explaining you, trying to explain you the solution. So therefore I'm taking the time. If I have to solve this paper, I could just solve in just 30 seconds, 40 seconds. I would be solving all the questions, each questions, right? Means this kind of question, for these kind of question, I would not take any time at all. It would be like just 5 or 6 seconds for me just to take that, right? So I hope that you understood and you like this lecture. Please subscribe, share, and do like. And if you want to take one online classes with me, this is my WhatsApp number. You could WhatsApp me and can ask me for the free demo, which I would be providing before joining the regular classes. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.